Hello, I'm Sharon Collison, author of Decreasing Inflammation and Enhancing Immunity in the Athlete. Let's talk about my top 10 tips for athletes to reduce inflammation and enhance immunity to result in minimized muscle damage, lowered infection risk, and the prevention of illness, allowing them to train at their best. Tip number 1, keep hydrated. Dehydration can decrease performance and suppress the immune response. Make sure to hydrate prior to, during, and after training and competition. The consumption of adequate beverages before, during, and after not only helps to prevent dehydration, but also helps to maintain saliva flow rate during exercise. Saliva secretion usually decreases during exercise, which is of importance since saliva contains several proteins with antimicrobial properties. Tip number 2, eat adequate protein. Protein is essential to maintaining a healthy immune system, as hormones and cells involved in the immune system contain proteins. Good sources of protein include lean red meats, eggs, fish, skinless poultry, and whey protein. A positive muscle protein balance is necessary to allow for muscle repair and adaptation from exercise-induced muscle damage. For optimal muscle protein synthesis, recent data recommend an intake of 20 to 25 grams of protein following resistance exercise. Examples of this quantity of protein include 3 ounces of beef, chicken, or fish, 16 ounces of milk plus 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, or a serving of whey protein powder. Tip number 3, make color your primary goal. When eating fruits and vegetables, consume the spectrum of colors, as each contains various phytochemicals that can aid in decreasing inflammation. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that help to protect against the oxidative stress of hard training, reduce inflammation, and enable a faster recovery for athletes. Therefore, athletes should aim to consume at least 8 to 10 servings a day of fruits and vegetables from a wide range of colors. For example, purple and red fruits and vegetables are rich in anthocyanins. Tart cherry juice is a particularly good source. Tip number 4, eat your omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids can help decrease inflammation in the body. The best sources of omega-3 fatty acids are found in oily fish, such as DHA and AHA, but they are also found in plant sources. They are called ALA. Sources of ALA are mostly plant-based, such as walnuts, flaxseed, pecans, and canola oil. Although these foods have anti-inflammatory effects, EPA and DHA have much stronger anti-inflammatory effects. Therefore, to optimize health and recovery, it's recommended to consume 3 to 4 ounces of cold water fish at least 2 times per week, such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. Tip number 5, variety is the spice of life. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds for optimal nutrition. Research supports that phytochemicals from spices and herbs are safe and effective therapies to reduce inflammation as well as prevent and treat disease. Curcumin is derived from the spice turmeric and has shown to promise as an anti-inflammatory agent. Other spices that reduce inflammation are cinnamon and cayenne pepper. Not much of a cook? Check out these links for recipes. Tip number 6, remember the gut. Hippocrates said all disease begins in the gut, meaning that a healthy diet can promote a healthy gastrointestinal tract and help prevent many disease states. In fact, the majority of the immune system is in the GI tract, and so it's essential to eat foods that can help maintain a strong immune system. Probiotics are friendly bacteria such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli that can enhance the immune system. They can be found in foods such as yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and tempeh, as well as dietary supplements. Studies in athletes have found that daily use of a probiotic drink reduced the incidence of upper respiratory tract infections, with fewer days overall with illness, as well as lower symptom severity. Prebiotics help feed probiotics and therefore are essential to maintaining a strong immune system. Examples include whole wheat products, apples, bananas, berries, garlic, and onions. Tip number 7, eat the most important meal of the day every day. Breakfast is an opportunity to provide important nutrients as well as probiotics and prebiotics that can aid in strengthening the immune system. For those who feel they don't have enough time for breakfast, consider quick options such as a whole wheat bagel with peanut butter and a glass of milk, a fruit smoothie with yogurt, or a bowl of cereal with fruit. Tip number 8, refuel. Refueling within 30 minutes of intense training or competition helps in the rebuilding and the recovery process. Combining carbohydrate with at least 20 grams of protein helps aid in recovery time. Try a tall glass of chocolate milk or a yogurt parfait made with 1 cup of Greek yogurt, granola, and berries. Tip number 9, food first. Food provides the nutrients needed for optimal sports nutrition and to maintain a strong immune system. Athletes should consider food before supplements as a means to recover from exercise-induced muscle damage. The combined intake of carbohydrate and protein and the use of foods rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients are interventions that may assist the recovery process and help the athlete train optimally. Supplements should be secondary to food, as food provides a wide array of phytonutrients and cannot be found in supplements. In many cases, supplements tend to be more expensive than food with less benefit. Don't waste your money on supplements that have not proven to be effective in clinical studies. If unsure of the safety, legality, and effectiveness of a particular supplement, check with a sports dietitian before taking the risk. Tip number 10, get adequate sleep. Adequate sleep is important in maintaining a strong immune system as well as optimal sports performance. Sleep deprivation can suppress immune responses and increase the risk of colds and illness. Athletes need to make it a priority to maintain a consistent sleep schedule where they get 8 to 10 hours of uninterrupted sleep in a cool, quiet, and dark room. I hope you have found these tips to be helpful. For more information, go to my website, decreaseinflammation.com, or on Twitter at #decreaseinflammation.